Good afternoon, Raju. This is Yogesh here from Quality Department, and now I'm going to take your feedback.
Okay.
Congratulations on full completion of the course. Introduce yourself.
Myself Raju. I completed my civil engineering in VDIT College, Haliyal. It's situated in Uttarakhand, near to Dharwad.
So, how did you come to know about CMTI?
I got it advertisement in Instagram. Then I approached it to CMTI. Then I got it in there.
And which course you have joined here?
CSCM and IDM.
What are the topics which you have learned here at CMTI during your internship here at
I
CMTI?
learned as AutoCAD one, AutoCAD, SketchUp, MSP, Canva, and learn about site sketches, how to we are using in plans directly situated to a site, how we are applying that one, and BBS bargaining schedule, marking, layout marking. Those all of the MSP for knowledge I got from CMT.
Okay. So, which are the softwares you have learned?
I learned as AutoCAD for the 2D and 3D planning purpose, SketchUp for modeling, MSP and Primera for scheduling and planning.
And what about the site visit? Which are the sites you have visited?
Yes, visited as a site that was near to situated up police station. That is a police center place. That one situated near to Jainaga police
So,
station.
what you have learned there?
It was
Factories.
a G plus 10 building, that one, up to 10th floor building. And I seen their sunken one, and how they are plastering, how they are mixing water cement ratio, and also bar bedding, how much they are anchoring for how much dia they are anchoring to give that slab or connection of columns and lapping. And also I seen for two bands single way up slab.
And what are the things you learned here at CMTA which you have not learned in your college?
I learned more about AutoCAD here. SketchUp also I didn't learn in our college. They are teaching us how AutoCAD is there, how to use tools. Only they are teaches us only, and we learn in same day that was AutoCAD how we are using, where we are using, and why we are using by AutoCAD. How to draw in 2D and 3D drawing. We learn layers. We didn't learn there only. We are learning only white lines only. Here we are using different colors line, and using a hatching also. We didn't learn in our college.
Okay, good. And how was the support during your internship here at CMTA from the trainers, coordinators?
They are giving good support, sir. They approaches us point to point. Anything we didn't know, they are approaching, and they are teaches us very closely as like our family.
Okay. So finally, what you'd like to tell to your friends and the students who would like to join CMTI and juniors?
It's a good company, sir. We
Good
like
institute.
compared to other institute. We learn here direct expert teaching staff is here, and we learn lots of things about site engineering. We facing lots of problems as inside in our CMT. Taken us from here to site. Their teachers as like pull down to earth like that.
Fantastic. Good. Wish you good luck for your future. Congratulations again on your successful completion of the course.
Okay, sir. Thank you.